Right. This thing here has a leak in it, apparently. This one though. So I need to
Swap that out.
swap that out. Take this thing off and then just pop these hoses off it, really.
Hopefully it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah, we'll find some tools.
Sure.
I don't know how this is how it looks on this part. Oh yeah, what is this? No. There we go. Easy. That's the crack there, running down the side there.
Okay. So that's probably quite easy to take off. Clip
Well, you
there,
say that.
clip there, and one at the bottom. Mind you, there's one there. Look at this. We've got
There's two.
there's one on the bottom. That has a hose, and this one doesn't.
What do you mean?
There.
Oh. That could be an issue, couldn't it?
It might be. I don't know how important that hose is.
I would say we'll have to get another part. I'd say that hose is very important.
So we're still going to pull this out so that it's ready, and then just have to swap that part out.
Yeah.
Yep. This one. I think the bottom one is actually, there's a little lever there, and you should just be able to pull that out. Yep.
Right, we've got a new one, and we'll just chuck it in.
Should just click in, eh?
Okay. In theory, that's actually all back in now.
Yep, we'll put it back together and then take it for a drive, put some fuel in it.
Yeah.
It needs a good runner, it's been sitting for quite a while.
A few months, right, since January.
Yeah, 6 months. That's a wow. Aaron bought the X5 and just neglected it.
Excellent.
Done.
Job done. Hopefully we'll take it for a test drive now.
Alright, let's go.
How we look at it?
Engine's there.
It's still attached.
Do you see any leaks?
No.
Yeah, looks promising. I'd say we're good.
I think so.
Alright, done.
All done. This appears to have been a success.
See you next time.
We'll catch you next time.